Hello everyone, myself Vaishak Kulkarni, intern at UB Advocate under the guidance of Shri Jeevan Prakash, Advocate on Record, Supreme Court of India. Today's topic for discussion is remedies against copyright infringement. Copyright is an exclusive right given to the copyright holder against the infringement. As per section 13 and 63 of Indian Copyright Act, artistic works, cinematographic works, music works, photos, videos are shielded from being copied without the consent of the copyright holder. Remedies can be claimed under three headings, that are civil remedies, criminal remedies, and administrative remedies. Under civil remedies, as per section 55 of Indian Copyright Act, there are two classifications. One is prohibitory and other is compensatory remedy. Under prohibitive remedies, there are two types of injunctions, namely temporary and permanent. Temporary injunctions give temporary relief to the plaintiff during the pendency of the case, while to get the permanent injunction, the plaintiff need to show that there is probability of the damage caused to the plaintiff. And under temporary injunctions, there are three types of temporary injunctions, such as Mareva injunction, John Doe orders, and Anton Pillar orders. In case of Mareva injunction, once the court is satisfied that the plaintiff has suffered consequential damage and the respondent is deliberately delaying the proceedings, then the court can order to freeze the assets of the defendant so that it can be claimed later. This injunction was ruled in the case of Mareva Naveria versus International Carriers 1980. In Anton Pillar order, once the court is satisfied that the plaintiff has suffered damages, then the court shall order to search and inspect the properties of the defendant for capturing and seizing of the copyrighted items. John Doe orders are more specific in nature. It is issued against the anonymous copyright infringers whose identity is unknown. And in the another category of remedies, that is compensatory remedies, uh, it is issued based upon the damages suffered by the plaintiff, loss of the profit and the damages suffered, and it also includes conversation damages. Section 63 to 70 of Indian Copyright Act deals with criminal remedies. Section 63 of Indian Copyright Act specifies that a person who intentionally infringes the copyright of a copyright holder without his permission is an offense. For this offense, the punishment can be imprisonment of 6 months, which can be extended up to 3 years, and fine up to 50,000 to 3 lakh rupees. And the third category is administrative remedies under section 53 of Indian Copyright Act, and request can be made to the Registrar of Copyright to forbidden the importation and exportation of copyrighted works into India. So these are the remedies available against copyright infringement. Thank you.